Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. It's time for another point of view ride. This time we're going on Wildfire here at Silver Dollar City. And there's the seat. Becky, you want to see if you fit in the seat? No, it looks a little bit wet. It's all good. So we'll bring you on board and we'll see you soon as we get on the ride. Let's see what it looks like inside real quick though. Looks like they've got a nice queue and not much of a wait. Oh, sweet. It's basically a walk-on. Awesome. We'll go to the front and we'll see you in just a bit. I'm in. Okay, front row. In the hills, Becky. I don't know if they use the train on this or not. The terrain, you know what I mean? Like we could go like down through the valley. You can't see the rides here because of the trees. So it's the first ride on this for me. I'm pretty excited about it. Should be fun. It's raining earlier today, just quit. They just fired this up, I think we're on the 3rd or 4th, and here we go. Okay, Becky. She's already moving. I'm thinking like 5 or 6 inversions. You can kind of see it now. We'll see how it compares to Banshee. I like these seats though. You're kind of feels pretty free. Oh yeah, we're high up above the trees in the landscape. Wow, this looks higher than it is. Oh boy, here we go. How are your ears? Did your ears pop? No? My ears totally popped on that left ear particularly. Well, just a little bit. But the temperature and the moisture in the air is almost like no other roller coaster ride. So yeah, I had a good time. All right, just coming off of Wildfire. What'd you think, Becky?
Loved the speed it had, being in the front. Loved all the inversions. Yeah, definitely a good ride.
Yeah, I gotta say I had a great ride on that one. I like that seat configuration. You don't bang your head on it at all. It really roars around the track. That first drop, you really pick up a lot of wind and speed. Yeah. There's a lot of moisture in the air. It's a little bit overcast, but I had a great ride on it front row. So hope you enjoyed that one as much as we enjoy making them for you. Hit the subscribe button for us if you want. And we'll see you all very soon on the next review. Bye, everybody.